Yo, what it is, YouTube? Back with another video. And man, I already know it's dark. I need to get on the camera so I can have the light on the front. But yeah, the light not showing. But yeah, man. Back here, new city. I ain't tell y'all I moved, but yes, man, I moved. I have moved to Tallahassee, man. And man, this how we living it up for sure, bro. That's how we living it up. Finna go ahead and show y'all, man. A little something special for y'all. Man, another car meet, man. They have like car meets every other week. I know it's dark, but they have car meets like every other week. So let me go ahead and flip the camera and show y'all all these whips and shit, cause they still coming up. And is that a Lambo? That's a fucking Lambo. Hold on, let me show y'all this Lambo. It's my favorite dream car right here.
Hey, you made that shit.
The Batmobile. The Batmobile. That's a fucking Lambo. See that? They already showing out with the wheels, man. Like, that's my favorite car. Lambo favorite car, man. But look though, this is an SS. This thing hard. Let me show y'all this joint. I know it's dark out, but I'm gonna show y'all everything. I'm trying to. It's another little 5.0. I wish I had a better camera, bro. It's an iPhone. I need to get a camera. 5.0 is out this good show. I don't know if y'all can see that over there. But yeah, here we go. Started with a what? About Chevy. But yeah, man. My favorite car, literally, that's my first time ever seeing a Lamborghini, like up close. And that's a Gallardo. One of my dream cars to get is a Lambo. The Lusty Boys. Somebody just put up in the damn Lambo. Another 2SS right here. This bit hard. 2019 2SS. Make sure y'all get that boy a follow on the ground. This bitch so hard. He got my color. He got my color. Bet. Old school, man. Tesla. I think it's that. Oh, it's not that one. It's that GT though. What's your cars right there? Price of 300.
Yeah, I'm being part to see is for you. I'm like, there's no way he's talking to me.
Excuse me. This is a dream.
Oh, she not here before. Is there outlets? Are there outlets?
This thing low.
Amante de la noche, tal vez alguien más. Está en tu para que te digan más. Si se te brillo hasta que se amanece. Todo saliendo para tu ficha hasta las 13.
There's Blue Storm. Oh shit. Check the V6 out. Check the V6 out. I'm a dog, cause I ain't doing it. I ain't got no ties. But man, it's been an eventful night, man. Like, I didn't even know a Lambo was gonna pop out, but literally did. So I don't know what's going on. It looked like everybody was walking somewhere, but Lambo popped out. My drink, I didn't even know that was gonna pop out, but yeah, it popped out though. But man, it's a W meet. W meet. Yeah, so I don't know what they doing right here. Oh, no, it's a Lambo. Damn, Mr. Lambo taking off. That bitch slid though. Good little recap, man. Yo, that's pretty much for the video, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the content. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna throw most for y'all, bro. Most stuff like this gonna happen. I'm in the city now. Let's get it, man. We gonna run it up. Now y'all probably can't hear me because all the music, but yeah, man. Back with another bangers. We gonna keep going. We gonna keep grinding. I need to get a new camera. Yeah, I know I need the lights and all that. You feel me? But yeah, man. This has been a lit night, man. The first time seeing a Lambo up close like that. First time seeing it take off. Shit crazy, bro. My dream car right in front of my face just pulled up out of nowhere. I didn't even know what was coming. For real. But yeah, man. W ass fucking video, bro. W video, bro. If you made it to the end of the comment, if you made it to the end of the video, spam the W's, baby. Spam the W's. Okay, this was a late ass video, and I'm out like this.